Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Swastik Creations Lab. Today in this special video, I will show you how to download premium paid image and website, and also teach you how to remove watermarks on premium paid image.
Today's video is going to save you tons of time and money. I'll show you how to find premium quality images for free, and also how to cleanly remove watermarks from your own or licensed images like a pro. Now press the F12 key on your keyboard. Now, the right side of the browser shows the inspect elements. Now click on the select an element icon on the left side, then click on the image. It will show you the direct link of the image. Here, I opened the FreePic website on the Chrome browser. Now you can save your image easily. Now, double-click on Set Foreground Color, then choose the red color, then click on Edit in Quick Edit Mask Mode, then apply the brush on the watermarks. Next, click on Edit in Quick Edit Mask Mode again. You will see the brushed area selected. Then press Ctrl+I to invert the selection and click on the Remove option. It will take a few seconds to complete the removal. Now repeat the same step again. If you're finding this video helpful, show some love by subscribing to Swastik Creations Lab. Your support helps me create even more amazing Photoshop tutorials for you. I selected the brush tool to remove watermarks from the background and to apply it to the other watermarks present. This method affects the entire background area. Hey, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, make sure to subscribe to Swastik Creations Lab and hit the bell icon. I share awesome Photoshop tricks like this every week. After removing the watermarks from the image, you will see a new layer created. Some unwanted elements have been added, so I want to remove them. Now I will choose a mask and apply a brush to eliminate the unwanted areas from the image. Now you can see the FreePic text watermark in the whole image completely removed. All right, creators, that's it for today's tutorial. Hummerl, I hope you learned something new and creative from this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Swastik Creations Lab and turn on the bell icon piece E so you never miss another creative Photoshop trick. Your support keeps this channel growing and motivates me to bring you more fresh, unique, and professional tutorials every week. Drop your thoughts or suggestions in the comments below. I love hearing what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep creating, keep inspiring.